Hello, this is John with Hercules Tactical Products. Today we're going to talk about the M320 G-TEC holster. Specifically, we're going to talk about the version 2 strap, how to disassemble, how to flip the strap ambidextrous, and then reassemble the M320 G-TEC. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver for this operation, and we'll get started by removing all of the screw hardware. At this point, we've unscrewed all of the hardware, and we're going to go ahead and remove the connector. This one in particular is a Safari-Line QLS fork. We'll just set that off to the side with all the screws. We're going to remove the back spacer and the strap. To make it ambidextrous, we're just going to rotate it 180 degrees and then reinsert it into the frame. Next, we're going to take the fastener hardware screw, put it through the center of the strap, reapply the spacer, and we're going to set our connector of choice back into place. Next, we're going to tighten all of the fastener screws. At this point, once we have all the screw hardware back into place, we're going to go ahead and go back and torque them all down as tight as you can go. It may be of interest to apply some thread locking product onto the hardware, such as Loctite, because if you're running hard in training or if you're downrange, you want to have this thing secure as possible. Also, you want to check all of your buckle and strap connectors and your fastener hardware prior to every time you put it into operation. So with that being said, we're going to flip it back over, and the last thing we're going to do are grip pull tab shock cord. We have to unhitch it, and then we're going to apply it to the top side. When we did the 180-degree rotation of the strap, we have to adjust this as well back to the top side where the grip is. It's just that simple. That completes the disassembly, the ambidextrous adjustment of the V.2 strap, and then the reassembly of the M320 G-TEC holster. Thanks for watching.